So now we're going to show the Prefix straight connector. Once you got your raceways down, you kind of want to level your panels so they're about even. So once you kind of engage the bottom glide towers, if you kind of want to hold them, I take a pair of needle nose pliers, clamp it in place, because what you want to do is make sure your slots are even at this point. So you take your silver screw, there's 2 oval holes here. You can hold the back glide tower, get it started. Once you got that, disconnect your clamp if you're using one. Take your zinc straight connector. Then you'll have 2 screws to install. And you're done with your straight connector. So this black clip that comes with the straight connector is designed to, if you get a gap in between your frames, you can take a pair of pliers, squeeze the frame together, insert the top of the clip, that engages the bottom, and then kind of hit it into place.